The Eiffel Tower, one of the most recognizable landmarks in the world, stands majestically in Paris, France. Erected between 1887 and 1889 as the entrance arch for the 1889 Exposition Universelle World's Fair. It was designed by the French engineer Gustave Eiffel and has become a profound symbol of romance and innovation. The idea for the Eiffel Tower originated from the desire to commemorate the 100th anniversary of the French Revolution and to showcase France's industrial capabilities to the world. The French government announced a competition to design an iron tower that would stand in the Champ de Mars, near the Seine River, and serve as a centerpiece for the exposition. The winning design came from the engineering firm led by Gustave Eiffel, whose proposal was created by Maurice Koechlin and Émile Nouguier, two senior engineers. Architect Stephen Sylvester added ornamental arches and a glass pavilion to the basic structure. The design drew inspiration from the lattice structures used in bridges, maximizing strength while minimizing material usage, a concept that was revolutionary at the time. Construction began on January 28, 1887. It was a daunting task, as the tower was to be the tallest man-made structure in the world at its completion. By 1888, substantial progress had been made. The first two levels were completed, and the construction team, consisting of 300 workers, used over 18,000 individual metal parts and 2.5 million rivets to assemble the structure. The Eiffel Tower was completed by March 31, 1889, ahead of the exposition's opening. It stood at 300 meters, 984 feet, surpassing the Washington Monument as the tallest structure globally. The construction of the Eiffel Tower was an engineering triumph of the 19th century. The tower consists of iron that was sourced from the region of Lorraine and required meticulous calculations to ensure it could withstand wind forces. The design includes a unique lattice structure that significantly reduces wind resistance, making it stable enough to stand tall. One innovation was the use of prefabricated parts, allowing for swift assembly on site. The team employed advanced cranes and hydraulic lifts, transforming construction methods of the era. Special attention was paid to the tower's foundations, which were dug deep into the ground to support its immense weight. The total cost of constructing the Eiffel Tower was about 7.8 million French gold francs, approximately 1.5 million US dollars at the time, financed primarily through the Eiffel Company and various investment partners. Gustave Eiffel himself invested a significant amount of his own money, believing in the project's potential. Originally 300 meters, 984 feet, the tower was increased to 324 meters, 1,063 feet, with the addition of antennas in 1957. The tower has 3 levels accessible to the public. Approximately 18,038 iron parts and 2.5 million rivets were used to construct the structure. Over 7 million people visit the Eiffel Tower every year, making it one of the most visited paid monuments in the world. Upon its completion, the Eiffel Tower faced criticism from many prominent artists and intellectuals who viewed it as an eyesore.